Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Hey guys, so I want to share something with you that I received from a company from an Amazon store, and the name of the company is Lavievert, Lavievert, and this was a leather toiletry bag. I picked this out because I thought hubby could use it. If you saw his, I should show you what it looks like. His current toiletry bag that he uses and takes with him on trips. You would know and agree with me that he was desperately in need of an overhaul. But I like this. It still has this is leather. This is the name of the company. And I don't know if that's coming through. But I will put all the information in the description bar, along with my coupon code if someone's interested in purchasing this. But it has several compartments, and this is what I like about it, that it opens up like this, and you can slip several things under here. Another compartment, and the final compartment. So there's 3 separate compartments. I really like the fact that this section is here. So I'm giving this to hubby. Again, this is the name of the company. I'll leave the information in the description box along with my coupon code if anyone's interested.